Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox does not support admin installation. Please rerun Roblox player installer without admin privileges. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. You just need to right click on the Roblox player and select open file location. Now right click on the Roblox player launcher. Select properties. You just need to select the compatibility tab and uncheck run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK guys. After doing it, close that off here. Now run Roblox installer without admin rights. For that, double click on it. Now check your problem resolved or not. If you're still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to reinstall Roblox. If you already have Roblox installed, consider uninstalling it first and reinstalling it guys. Go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Click on uninstall a program and search for Roblox player and right click on it and select uninstall it guys. After uninstalling it, close it off here. Now open up browser and search for Roblox download. Click on Roblox download and click on the download option and download it guys. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys, and you can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.